Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Hoke with the Gulfport School District. Today, we're going to work on decoding words that use magic E. Now, magic E is a very special letter. Magic E has the power to change our vowel sounds. So we've already learned our short vowel sounds. A says A, I says I, E says E, O says ah, and U says But what happens when I have magic E is it changes the vowel so that it says its name. A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says U. Now, in order to be a magic E, it has to jump over a consonant and land on a vowel. Let's take a look at our paper and we'll see what I mean. Here are some words that have the magic E. Let's take a look at each word. We will identify the magic E. We will jump over the consonant and then we will decode the word. Decode is a special word that means sound out. Let's look at the first word. It does end in an E. I will circle the E. I will jump over consonant V and land on the I. This makes the I say I. Magic E will say nothing. Its work is done. Let's sound out the word. I, V, 5, 5. This word is 5. I have some pictures here. I'm looking for the one that is the number 5. Do you see the number 5? Is it on the top or the bottom? It is on the top. It is above the apple. Here is number 5. We will cut it out and we will glue it underneath the word. 5 is a number. 5 has a magic E. Here is the word 5, and here is a picture showing the number 5. Let's read another one. This word ends in an E. In order to be a magic E, it must jump over the consonant and land on the vowel. It does jump over consonant T and lands on vowel I. That will make the I say its name. Let's sound out the word. B-I-T. Bite. Remember, magic E does not make a sound. This word is bite. Let's look at our pictures and find the picture that shows bite. Do you see a bite? Is it on the top or the bottom? It's on the bottom. It is between dive and pipe. Here is the bite. The apple has a bite. We'll cut that out and glue it with its word. Here is the word bite, and here is the picture that shows the word bite. I use pictures to show that I did read the word. Let's read another word. Here is a word that ends with the E. E will jump over consonant N to land on an I. That will make the I say I. E will not say anything. Let's sound out the word. Vine. Vine. This word is vine. Vine is something that grows from a plant. Do you see a vine? Is it on the top or the bottom? It's on the bottom. Vine is under the bike. Let's cut out the vine and glue it to the word. Let's read another word. Look at the word. Does it end in magic E? Yes, it does. Does magic E jump over a consonant? Yes, it does. T is a consonant. Does magic E land on a vowel? Yes, it does. So this vowel will say its name, I. Magic E will not say anything. Let's sound out the word. I. Kite. Kite. This word is kite. Let's find a picture of a kite. Is it on the top or the bottom? It's on the top. It's above the pipe. Can you point to the kite? Here it is. Let's practice the rest of the words. Look for a magic E. Here is an E. Does it jump over a consonant? Yes, it does. M is a consonant. Does it land on a vowel? Yes, it does. I will say I. Let's sound out the word. L, I, m, lime, lime. A lime is a fruit I can eat. It's very sour. Do you see a picture of a lime? Is it on the top or the bottom? That's right. It's on the top. It is next to the bike. I have placed my leftover pictures at the top. Let's continue reading the words. Does this word have a magic E? It does have an E. Does it jump over a vowel? Does it jump over a consonant to land on a vowel? Yes, it does. V is a consonant and I is a vowel. That means I will say its name. Let's sound out the word. D, I, v, dive, dive. Do you see a picture that shows dive? Yes, it's between the bike and the pipe. There are only 2 more words for us to decode or sound out. Let's do the next word. It does end in an E. It does jump over a consonant D. That makes the I say I. Try and sound out this word. I see I D. Ride. Ride. Do I have a picture that shows ride? Yes, I do. If you said ride, you are correct. Here is our last word. Let's sound it out together. There is a magic E that jumps over consonant P to land on I. That makes the I say I. I, pipe, pipe. This last word is pipe. I will use the last picture to put on pipe. This picture shows water coming out of a tap or a pipe. Great job sounding out your words that use magic E. Remember, take the time to look at your words first. Then you give your brain an opportunity to go through all of the letter rules that you've learned and to apply them. You don't have to read super fast, but we do need to work on reading smoothly and fluently. Giving your brain an opportunity to look at your words will help you figure them out before you ever start reading out loud. Great job today. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.